Hey, this is Jay. So all that dirt that I got in my yard, I got 3 of these things right here. So I wanted to show y'all really fast. So the dirt that I got in my yard, I got there. But I wanted to show y'all at Home Depot what I've been getting. So what I need is 2 of these. You see, remember that marble chips for the top of the French drain? So I'm gonna get 2 bags of those, right? And then what else I put in the bottom of the the French drain was the pebbles. Remember these things here? Check it out right there, pebbles. And I want a little cheap on it because I didn't want to spend a ton of money, and I'm trying to find where those rocks are that I got. And I got an assortment of rocks for very cheap. Here it is, right here. All-purpose stone, right there. Boom. So I got all-purpose stone too. Right now, what I'm gonna do, like I said, I'm gonna get 2 marble chip bags because I'm short and I'm not leveling it. You know what I mean by level? Like if this is the level here, I want the rocks to be at that level, so no one trips and all that stuff. So I'm trying to level my project right now, and they have some other beautiful stones here too. I wanted to show y'all while I'm here. If you ever wanted to go to Home Depot, if they have it in your town or near your town, which you can also get some red lava rocks. These are really cool here. See that red lava? Really cool rocks. A little expensive though. Actually, that's not bad. Huh? $4.68 for a bunch of lava rocks. Not bad, not bad. Then they got creek stone. Creek stone, that's pretty good. If you want to make your house look, or your apartment, whatever you live in, and the outside, if they will allow you to work in your apartment. They even have natural stone ash wash. Really cool. That black stone is beautiful. Look at that. Wow. They even have natural stone Imperial River rock. Oh, like from a rock, like from a river and stuff. Really cool stuff. So what's this stuff down here? Let's take a look at this granite, huh? Very thin gravel. Granite is very thin. Anyway, so just wanted to show you what I'm going to be getting and take care of business. And then when I'm done with this, I'll do a video tomorrow in the daylight, because right now it is night and you're not going to be able to see these nice marble chip rocks. So I'll do one more video and that should conclude my videos, which will be 6. I know I said 5 and I need to update video number 1, but they're going to be a total of 6 videos. So please subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it. I'll be giving you updates about life, about cryptocurrency, some stock market updates, what's going on in the economy, so on and so forth, if you like that kind of stuff. All right, take care. This is Jay. I'm out. Later.